Hello students, I hope that you are doing well and enjoying the lectures through this virtual classroom. Today, I wish to discuss one more interesting topic with you, that is skip counting. Let's begin. Today we'll discuss exercise 1.7 and exercise 1.8. Both exercises are based on skip counting. So let's start our exercise 1.7. First of all, I will introduce you to a rule that in skip counting, you just leave few numbers. You omit few numbers and you write the next number which will follow. Like here in the first question, let's discuss count in twos and complete the blanks. Here you have to count in twos. That means the number, whichever number will come at the second place, you have to write that number after the first one. Then in this way, you will again count the numbers starting from this number, and whichever number will come at second place starting from this number, you will write that second number and so on. So let's start. Count in twos and complete the blanks. First part is 5,000. So students, for these small numbers, you have to make use of your finger. See, your finger is having this portion, and you can see there are two demarcation lines. This portion is divided into three parts with the help of these demarcation lines. Whenever you have to count in twos, that means you have to leave one number in between. Let me show you. First number is 5,000. So count in twos. 5,001, 5,002. So at the second place, which number is coming? It is 5,002. So you will write 5,002 in the first blank. Now again proceed. 5,002, 5,003, 5,004. That means at second place again you are getting 5,004. So you will write this number. Again proceed from this number. 5,005, 5,006. So you will write 5,006 in the third blank. Similarly, proceeding like this only. 5,006, then 5,007, 5,008. That means at second place 5,008 is coming. So you will write 5,008 in the fourth blank. Then 5,009, 5,010. At the second place 5,010 is coming. So you will write 5,010 in the last blank. So like this you have to count in twos. So how many numbers you are skipping? You are skipping only one number in between. Between 5,000 and 5,002, which number is there? It is 5,001, which you have omitted. Similarly here, between these two numbers, which number you have omitted? It is 5,003. And you have written 5,002, then 5,004. That means whichever number will come at the second place, you will write that number in the next blank. Let us discuss this question. B part. 8,182. 8,183, 8,184. I have written 8,184. Similarly, which number will come next? 8,185, then 8,186. This I have written. Then again proceed from this number. 8,187, 8,188. Then 8,189, 8,190. Then again proceed from this number. 8,191. This you have omitted. Then you have written 8,192. I hope you have understood. You can make use of your finger also in counting the numbers. Okay. So these two parts, C and D, you will try on your own. Let us discuss second question. Count in threes and write the missing numbers. First part is 3,838. Again, students, make use of your finger. 3,839, 3,840, 3,841. So you had to count in threes. So at third place, which number is coming? 3,841. That I have written. Now proceed from this number. Not this. You will just forget about this. You will proceed from the latest number which you have written. Okay. 3,842, 3843, 3844. This I have written. Then 3845, 3846, 3847. I have written. 3848, 3849, 3850. I have written. Then 3851, 3852, 3853. So at the third place, which number is coming? It is 3853. So I have written that number. Okay. Similarly, you can try B part. 9133. So count in threes. Again, make the use of your fingers because these are small numbers. 2s, 3s, you can make use of the finger. 9136 will come. Then 9139, 9140, 9141, then 9142 at the third place. 9143, 9144, then 9145 at the third place. Okay. Then 9146, 9147, 9148 will come. So like this you will try C and D parts also. You have to count in threes and write the missing numbers. Okay. So let's proceed. So children, now you have to count in fives and complete the blanks. We are starting question number 3 now. Question number 3rd. A part 1005. Again make use of your finger. 1006, 1007, 1008, 1009, 1010. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. At the fifth place, which number is coming? 1010. So I have written that. Then proceed from this number. You will not take this number. You will not consider. You will consider the successor of this number. 1010. So 1011, 1012, 1013, 1014, 1015. So in the second blank you will write 1015. Again proceeding in the same manner. 1020, 1025, 1030. I hope you have understood. You can make use of your fingers, okay, in counting these smaller numbers. Now B, C and D parts you will try on your own. So with this question our exercise 1.7 is completed. Now let us discuss exercise 1.8. Question 1. Skip count in tens. Now students, here you will get to know about bigger numbers. How can you calculate the missing numbers when the numbers are bigger, like tens, hundreds, thousands. See, fine. Now first part is 9010. Now students, you can see how many digits are there in 10. 2 digits are there. Now mark the places starting from extreme right. Which place comes? Ones place. Then moving in left direction, tens place. So that means that at ones place 0 is there. That means ones place, whichever number is at ones place will remain fixed. Only you will increase the tens digit by 1 in each blank. Let me tell you how. So first part is 9010. First rule is that mark the places. Now these are bigger numbers. Okay? Up till here you have skip counted in 2s, 3s and 5s. Now you will get to know about bigger numbers, how to go about here. 9010. So first mark the places starting from extreme right. Ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place. Okay. So I had told you that 1 is coming at which place? 1 is present at tens place. That means you will increase a tens digit by 1 in each blank. Here at tens place, which digit is there? It is 1. That means the digits at ones place, hundreds place and thousands place will remain fixed. Only you will change or only you will increase the tens digit by 1. See how? In first blank which number will come? 9020. Here 9 is fixed, 0 is fixed, you can see, and 0 at last at ones place is also fixed. Only you have increased the tens digit by 1. So after 1, which number comes? 2. Second blank, 9030. Again you have increased the tens digit by 1. So that's why here 3 is coming. So 9030. In the third blank, again you will keep fixed these digits 0, 0 and 9. That means you will fix the ones digit, then hundreds digit and thousand digits. Like this you will write 9040. Only you will increase the tens digit by 1. So after 3, which number comes? 4. That means the answer is 9040. Again you will proceed in similar manner. 9050. See, I haven't changed ones place, I haven't changed hundred place, neither I have changed thousand place. I have only increased the tens digit by 1. Now last blank, again which number will come? 9060. Again increase this digit 5 by 1. So answer is 9060. I hope you have understood. So you will try B, C and D parts on your own. You will skip count in tens and you will fill in the missing numbers. Okay. Now let's discuss question number 2. This question is skip count in hundreds. Now you have to skip counts in hundreds. That means first of all mark the places starting from extreme right. Ones place, tens place, hundreds place. That means 0 is at ones place, 0 is at tens place and 1 is at hundreds place. So in this case the ones digit, tens digit will remain fixed. Only you will change or only you will increase the hundreds digit by 1 in each blank. Let's see how. In first A part, 8188. First of all mark the places. Ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place. So I told you that you will not change ones and tens place. So ones place will remain fixed, tens place will also remain fixed and thousands place would also remain fixed. Only which place will change? The hundreds place will change in each blank. See how? 8288. I have increased this number 1 by 1. So after 1, which number follows? It's 2. So number becomes 8288. I haven't changed the ones digit, tens digit or thousands digit. Similarly here also you will not change ones digit, tens digit or thousands digit. You will only change this hundreds digit because there is at hundreds place there is 1. So you will add 1 in each case. So after this number, which number will come? 8388. Then after this 8488. You have increased 3 by 1, so you are getting 4 over here. Then after this number 8588, because this number I have increased by 1, so it has become 5. Again you will increase this hundreds place, so number becomes 8688. I have increased 5 by 1, so I have got 6 at hundreds place here. So 8688 is my answer. Understood? So you will try B, C and D parts on your own. Students, you must have noticed that I am not using my fingers now. Why? Because now the case is different. Now the numbers are larger. You have to leave large gaps. That's why we are not using our fingers. You will just make use of this rule. Okay? Hundreds, thousands and tens. You cannot count with the help of your fingers. This you can do, but this will become a little time consuming process. So you will just make the use of your fingers only counting in 2s, 3s or 5s. Like this, smaller numbers. Okay? Now let's discuss question number 3. Skip count in 1000s. So you have to leave 1000s gap in between each number, in between two numbers. Okay? So again mark the places starting from extreme right. Ones place, tens place, hundreds place and thousands place. You can see there are 3 zeros at ones, tens and hundreds places. But there is number 1 present at thousands place. So you will not change ones, tens or hundreds place. Only you will change the thousands place. You will increase thousands place by 1 in each blank. Let's discuss A part. 4010. Again mark the places starting from extreme right. Ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place. So which number is at thousands place? It is 4. You will increase this 4 by 1. That means you will not disturb ones, tens or hundreds digit. So number becomes 5010. I have increased this 4 by 1. So it becomes 5. So 5010. Then again increase this thousands digit by 1. So it becomes 6. So number becomes 6010. Similarly 7010, 8010, 9010. I hope you have understood how to deal with these bigger numbers. So you will try B, C and D parts on your own. I hope you have understood. Thank you.